Now I would like to show another import option. In this lesson, we will discuss importing using special input-output hardware. Edius supports a whole host of additional hardware from, for example, Grass Valley. And since Edius 7, there is also support for different hardware solutions from Blackmagic and Matrox. Depending on the available hardware, you will have more possibilities and options for input and output of video. The fundamental settings when installing hardware options, as described in this section, are always the same. However, depending on which hardware you choose to work with, you will have different options for the in and output. In the following lesson, I will present the basics of setting up hardware, using, as my example, Grass Valley HD Storm hardware. And I'd like to use this HD Storm card now to record some video. First of all, to allow this, I have to add a new device in the settings. We have already seen this when working with DV or HDV players. So, System Settings, Hardware Device Preset, and here with New, I create a new device preset. I'll call this HD Storm Bay Component. And I'll choose a different icon. And then go to the next stage with Next. And here, I have to select the relevant Edius hardware, which in my case is HD Storm. And here, in the next field under Stream, I choose which HD Storm input I would like to use. In my case, that will be the component input, and so I choose Component In. Then I specify the video format, which in my case is 1440 by 1080 50i. Advanced users can also specify the quality settings here under Codec. However, I'll pass this by in this introductory course. That is something only relevant to advanced users. In most cases, in any case, the standard settings are perfectly adequate. And so I choose Next. Output is not required, so I can specify Not Selected. Click Next again, and finalize with Completed. I'd like to give this device preset a quick key, and so I'll right-mouse click Assign Input Preset. And the first is taken, but the second is free, so I'll select it. OK. Now I'd like to select the component input for recording, and so I go to the menu under Capture. And here, as my second player, I have HD Storm Component. I'll select it. I'm asked for a tape name, but I'll bypass this by simply clicking OK. As I can't control this tape, the video material will be played in directly, and here I have the possibility to record it with Capture. I'll stop my player, and now I have the clip that was recorded via the component input. This will be similar with other Edius hardware. I would have to specify for the input that I require a new preset via Settings, System Settings, and under Hardware Preset, I would create my device preset.